aim of the project is to restore this beautiful wetland that they've got here, to give it a bit more mana than what it has had, a bit more kaitiaki than it has had over the last little while.
Ko te take e whakakotahi ai tātou at the Regional Council me ngā whenua rāhui me ngā tangata o kua nei. Te wawata o ngā tīpuna e whakaora e tēnei whenua. One of the kuia from this place, her dream was for it to be covered again with native trees.
One of her aspirations was here, the roto, the lake here, to restore it and bring it back to a place where the beneficiaries, the people of whenua, could come and enjoy and embrace all their gold, she used to call it. You know, this is just an absolute treasure.
I love this place. I've always loved this place. There's some connection you have with this place, eh?
We've done a whole lot of pest work and pest plant work around the wetlands. Last year we fenced and planted the southern end, and we've been lucky enough to get 1 billion trees this season to plant 9,000 plants.
And that the project today was an aim just to bring them back and say, hey guys, here's your whenua. Come and enjoy it and be part of it, plant up and be proud of it, and just something for the future.